Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I put on and set up my mermaid tail. This one is going to be from shopvancouvermermaid.com. That'll work with any tail with an open bottom design. So let's get to it. So the very first thing that I do is fold my monofin in half. This one is the Mahina Merfin in adult size small, and I will carefully put it inside through the bottom opening. Not all mermaid tails have this, some have the side zipper, but FinFun and Courtney Mermaid makes hers with an open bottom design. I take care not to stretch the fabric too much or tear or rip at it. I'm really careful with the way I insert the fluke, and I try to get the tips down as much as I can without damaging the fabric. The very next thing I do is put on fin socks. Mine are made of 3mm neoprene, and they're very comfortable to wear. They help me when I swim in my Mahina because the Mahina is very notorious for not being very pleasant to swim with for long periods of time. Mine are from the brand Sea Vengers. This is not a sponsored video. This just happens to be the brand of socks that I wear. And I find them quite comfortable and useful. I have two pairs. I have a black and the pink one that you see here. After I roll down the tail down to the very bottom as far as I can, I'll put in one foot and put the strap behind my heel, and then very gently put my other foot into the foot pocket and lift the strap behind that heel as well. Once I have everything adjusted, I will then start to carefully and slowly pull the tail skin up over my knees, over my hips, as far as I can, adjusting little bits without tugging and tearing and pulling at the tail. It's very important that you're gentle with your tail because it is made of fabric, and even though Courtney's tail is made of a very good quality fabric, it can still tear and rip. So here I'm pulling it up over my knee, being very gentle and tugging it slowly, inch by inch, going up little by little, and then I lay back down on my back and pull it over my bottom. We never recommend standing up to pull your tail up over your butt. That is really bad for the heels and is really bad for your tail skin. So always lay back down on your back to pull your tail up. And ta-da! The tail is now on and looking fabulous. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Here's a little teaser clip of my next big swim video, which is obviously going to be the maiden swim of this beautiful tail. If you like videos like this or content like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Any support helps, and I will see you next time. Bye!